Okay. Then what I will do today, today we will, this is all about the Zoom meeting room. I think all of you got and understood how we can use the features of Zoom meeting room. Okay. After that, I'll show you all one thing today, how to create a Zoom meeting link. आप सभी डेली मॉर्निंग में 11 o'clock की आपकी ट्रेनिंग होती है, तो you just click on the meeting link and you come in Zoom meeting room. So it will be, I think, very excited if you will be able to create own Zoom meeting link. So how many of you are excited right now? Tell me. आप अपना Zoom meeting link बनाने में कौन कौन से लोग excited हैं? Please tell me. Anyone? Okay, thank you. I can see Sandhya is there. She is raising hand. Okay, Anjali also. Okay, I'm just going to share my screen. I will show you step by step how to create a Zoom meeting link. All of you can see my desktop right now. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. What I'll do, I'll just everyone just type, there is a website name zoom.us login. When you type zoom.us login, you'll see this type of screen. At the very top, you can see sign in Zoom. When you click on sign in Zoom, you can see this screen will appear. Sign in. Just below the sign in, you can see email address, password. Then sign in and you can go with your Google account also. So what we'll do, I will go with the Google account because जब आप email ID और password डालते हैं, there is a chance कि आप कुछ mistake कर दें, so it will take unnecessary more time. So I will go with the Google. You can see there are so many IDs. I will select one ID which I have already registered with Zoom. जो मैंने Zoom पे already जिस ID से register किया है, I will choose the same ID. Okay, I'm just. After login, you will see this type of Zoom dashboard will appear. At the very left side, you can see there is personal, home, profile, meeting. आप जब मीटिंग पे क्लिक करोगे, then you will find this type of screen will appear. I have already created so many meeting links, so these are showing on my screen right now. So what I will do, मैं simple यहाँ से start. You can see at the right side, you can see start, edit and delete option. From here, I can start the meeting, I can edit and I can delete also. But today I'm going to make you all how to create a Zoom meeting link. So what I'll do, I will go on schedule a meeting. Okay. When I click on schedule a meeting, आपको ऐसा स्क्रीन दिख जाएगा. Anyone can confirm me क्या दिख रहा है? Schedule a meeting, topic, description. Anyone? Just is it visual to you all?
Yeah.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
fine.
Topic is there when you need to give time, duration.
Yeah,
Same.
fine. Yeah, same. Anybody want to create their own link on their own topic? Just tell me your own topic. Anyone can say. जिसको भी कोई भी टॉपिक अभी जस्ट मीटिंग लिंक क्रिएट करना है तो यू कैन से मी, अदरवाइज आई विल गो विद द नो वन, सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग विद द
Zoom meeting class.
ओके Zoom meeting
Class.
okay, and you can add any description like this is free Zoom, this is free Zoom class, okay, anything, it's up to you. आप जैसा भी डिस्क्रिप्शन डालना चाहते हो आप डाल सकते हैं, it's up to you. After that there is a date and time. When you click here date, you can see, you can select any date. I am just selecting one date, that is 10. So it will appear like this. After that there is time. When you click here, you can set the time accordingly. I am setting the time 2 o'clock. And from here you can set PM or AM, whatever you want. It's up to you. Since this is the free version of Zoom, ये free version है. I'm not using the paid version of Zoom. तो यहाँ पे time हमारा maximum time meeting का already it will set as 40 minutes. वो 40 minutes का ही set हो जाएगा. Maximum time. I'm not talking about the minimum time, maximum time. Here is a time zone. आप यहाँ पे time already set है India, so I'm not going to change it. Just below the time zone, you can see there is recurring meeting option. Now, what is recurring meeting? अगर हम किसी क्लास को डेली बेसिस पे कर रहे हैं, if you are doing any class on daily mode, तो ये क्या ऐसा सही रहेगा कि हम डेली एक मीटिंग लिंक क्रिएट करें rather than कि हम एक मीटिंग लिंक क्रिएट कर लें जो हमारा 7 days 10 days के लिए एक्टिव रहे और we can click on that meeting link and we can simply join the meeting room. तो recurring meeting is for that one purpose only कि हमें रोज डेली जो क्लास करनी है we will select the recurring meeting here. It is daily and time and set. Again, I am telling you all, this is the free version of Zoom. So automatically it gives us the maximum time limit of 7 days. Okay. Paid version में ये change हो सकता है, but in free version, it's only the maximum time is 7 days. So after that, here you can choose any attendees, put any name and address, and you can send it to anyone. After that, there is a template. I think it is not required right now. So I'm just leaving this template. ये template actually जो professional होते हैं, coaches होते हैं, वो generally use करते हैं क्योंकि उनके पास time नहीं होता है. So I'm leaving right now this one. Here, after that, add whiteboard and add docs. And there is a security. अगर आप security पे click करोगे, then you can set your password. Any password, it's up to you. Like I'm putting 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And after password, you can see video host participant on and off button. You can choose any option, it's up to you. And after that, you can see what I have put: topic, description, date, time, duration is automatically set, recurring meeting, and security, passcode, and there is, after that, I will click on save button. When I click on save, this type of screen will appear. Is it visible to you all?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can see topic, description, everything is written here. Okay. Now, here you can see invite link. आप यहाँ से भी you can select, copy the link and you can paste or share it to anyone. But what I'll do, मैं यहाँ से नहीं करूँगी copy. Reason is, when you copy the link from here, only link will appear. अगर आप किसी को send करेंगे तो सिर्फ link ही जाएगा. वहाँ पे no description about the topic and all, time, कुछ भी वहाँ पे नहीं जाएगा. So it not look good. So what I'll do, I'll go at the last one. here the start button and here copy invitation. जैसे ही आपने मीटिंग लिंक क्रिएट किया, आप यहाँ से स्टार्ट भी कर सकते हैं, बट आई एम ऑलरेडी ऑन इन द जूम मीटिंग, सो राइट नाउ आई कैन नॉट स्टार्ट इट. So later on I will just go with the copy invitation. When I click on copy invitation, you can see this type of screen will appear. Topic, Zoom meeting class, time, every day, this type of. What I'll do, just I go with copy meeting invitation. My meeting invitation is already copied. And after that, you can paste and you can share it to anyone. I'm just going to send one of my ID. Okay, everyone just see. ऐसा आप किसी को भी शेयर करेंगे तो ऐसा दिखेगा. But what I'll do, यहाँ पे बहुत ही अनवांटेड मैसेज हैं, उसको मैं what I'll do, I just edit from here. You just click right side and it get the edit option and do, and I will save this and this will appear like this. आपने देखा जितने भी अनवांटेड मैसेज है इट ऑटोमेटिकली डिलीटेड. जो हमारे रिक्वायरमेंट से मैच खाता है, जो हमारे लिए रिक्वायर्ड है, we will put the those information only, not the unwanted information. So this is all about how to create a meeting link and how to share it to anyone. मैंने आपको सारा स्टेप बाय स्टेप दिखाया and definitely I will take your doubt also. Just I'm stopping my screen share. So okay, now if anybody has any doubt in how to create the link and how to share it to anyone on WhatsApp, on Gmail, whatever, it's up to you. So just type D in chat box. आप लोगों को समझ में आया कि नहीं कि मैंने इतना सारा स्टेप बाय स्टेप बोल दिया, जस्ट बाउंस हो गया, ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
Yeah, I understood.
आया मैम.
आया समझ में?
यस मैम.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
आया.
Okay.
Okay, Deepa is having doubt, I think, Susima. See, Deepa is
Okay.
having doubt.
Please Deepa, unmute yourself and
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
your doubt.
हाँ, बाकी सब तो समझ में आया. ओनली थिंग ये जो अगर हमें ये लिंक मेल के थ्रू भेजना है तो कैसे भेजेंगे? कॉपी पेस्ट करके सिंपली?
हाँ, सिंपली कॉपी पेस्ट. जैसे आपने व्हाट्सएप पे भेजा, आप जीमेल पे भी आप भेज सकते हैं.
हाँ, अच्छा, वैसे डायरेक्ट
हाँ,
ना, या
हाँ,
पासवर्ड और वैसा देके अपना ये फुल आ जाएगा उसमें ना, पासवर्ड आईडी एवरीथिंग विल कवर.
उसमें तो सारा कुछ इंक्लूड रहेगा, तो उसमें सारा आप देख
अच्छा.
पाएंगे.
हाँ, ठीक है.
All right, Seema, we can move to the next topic, right? Everybody has got it. No problem.
Okay. What
Record.
next topic is how to